Today, I'm going to show you some of the function of Super Live Plus that can be helpful. To make Snapchat, click the channel of the CCTV camera that you want to make Snapchat. Then click the camera icon located on the right side of the screen, and it will be directly saved to the saved files. Aside from Snapchat, you can also save live viewing footage by selecting the channel of the camera which you want to record. Then click the record icon on the right corner of the screen and click once more if you are done recording. You can also back up the footage of your DVR using Super Live Plus. Just click playback logo below. By clicking this icon, you can play back multiple channels at the same time. And click the calendar and choose the date and time that you want to back up. Now we can see the recorded footage that we have selected. To enter backup interface, click the trim videos. Move the adjusting box to set the start and end time. Then tap Start Download to download the recorded files. Now we have the Snapchat and video for both live and recorded footage. Go to the files where it was saved. Click back to enter the live preview. On the upper left corner, click Menu and then go to File. If you want to share Snapchat or video, select one from the saved files. Then click sharing icon below to view all the communication apps that are available on your mobile phone. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and follow us for more.